Imagine waking up, checking your phone, and seeing an extra $500 hit your account while you're sleeping. No boss, no exhausting hours, no special skills required. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to show you exactly how you can start earning $500 a day with three of the laziest side hustles out there. Hey and welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyere and I help you discover smart and easy way to make money online. If you're all about making money the easiest way, you want to hit on the subscribe button and let's get on this journey together. There are so many ways that I've seen that you can make money online and today's own is no different. So whether you're really busy in your life right now or you're not lazy, because everyone is looking for the laziest way to make money, I came up with the easiest way for you to start an online side hustle with the least amount of money as possible, because the greatest fear is spending a lot. This doesn't also require you or involve those type of influencer thing or anything crazy or spending a bunch of money upfront to actually start. So for today's video, we're going to be looking at online side hustles using the power of AI to make this happen. We know how effective AI has become in our daily life that many of us even sleep and wake up on AI. So one of my friend Alex is a busy mom of two who wanted an extra income but had zero time for side hustle. All she did was use ChatGPT, create a simple digital product, uploaded it to Etsy, and made her first sales within days. Now, I didn't say she made her first sales that day. She did that within days. Today, she's making hundreds every week on autopilot. And guess what? You can do the same. The first side hustle is create a digital product, and you probably would have heard this. But all you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT and ask, what are the best digital products to sell online? Once you pick a topic, let's say productivity, ask ChatGPT to write you a detailed digital product ebook on how to become more productive. Copy the content, open canva.com, create a free account, and create an ebook of it. Add your own twist, your own touch here and there. Make your edits so that it can look nice and save it as a PDF. Now, once you're done saving it as a PDF, all you have to do is to list it on Etsy. You can even list it on your own Shopify store. The lazy thing there right now, you might be wondering, is you can create multiple products out of it. Just rinse and repeat this same topic in a different way. AI does the heavy lifting for you and you make the money. But if you think that this side hustle that I just shared with you is easy, then wait for side hustle number two. It's literally a store that beats itself. So side hustle number two is AI powered online store. Set it up once and make money from it forever. Do you know that over 2.6 billion people shop online? Like, that should blow your mind. But the thing is, most online businesses fail because they pick the wrong product. Well, there is now an AI tool that helps you find the best selling product or item and build your entire store for you in a minute. You might be wondering how this works, and that's where I come in. Head over to Google right now and search buildyourstore.ai, or you can use any similar tool that you have found. It picks trending in-demand products for you. No need for you to handle your inventory. Your supplier would ship everything to your customer once they order. You keep 100% of the profit. Is that not crazy? No middleman. You don't have to settle anybody. The pro tip there is, if you want to go big, you can even customize, brand your product through this platform and build your own long-term business out of this. Trust me, you want to try this. But if you want something even lazier than what I have just shared with you, then you want to wait for side hustle number three. It's a gold mine and you're already on a platform to start it right now. Our side hustle number three is start a faceless YouTube channel. And trust me, I know you would have been hearing this. You earn money from YouTube without showing your face. Picture this. You're watching YouTube, but instead of just consuming video like you're doing right now, you're also earning thousands of the videos that you have created. So while you're making others money, you're also making money for yourself without even showing your face. That's exactly how these channels use stock footage AI voiceover, and simple editing that you can do. And some of them are making over $10,000 a month doing this. The question is, why aren't you doing this? If you're wondering how to start a faceless YouTube channel for free without paying a dime, then this is what you want to do. Number one is pick a niche. This could be tech, this could be finance, this could be mystery story, motivation, or anything that you're interested in. All you have to do again is to head over to ChatGPT and create a video script. Get stock videos from Pixel or Pixabay or Storyblock or any other platform that you know. Step number 4 is to use 11 Labs for AI voiceover. You don't have to use your own voice. Edit all of these clips together in CapCut or DaVinci. Upload and monetize it with ads, affiliate links, and sponsorship. Example of a channel that is making over 400,000 per year is Top 5. Now, all you have to do is combine this with side hustle number 1 or even side hustle number 2 and sell your own digital product or build your own online store. This will double your income, same effort. Trust me, as a creator, I know it is easy to get started, but the hardest part is actually staying consistent and having the faith to keep going through every single day, even when it didn't make sense to you or even when the world is not clapping for you. I want you to remember this, that even though it can be a little bit crazy and it's easy to get started, it might be hard for you to sustain. But if you really want to pop off and you really want to see results, you do have to work a little bit to actually get there. Every creator started from nothing, but they celebrate win today because they persevere. Let me know in the comment section which of this side hustle you're most excited to start. I'd love to also hear what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here. Like, comment, and share this video with anyone you know who needs to see it. Thanks again for watching, and I would see you in my next video. Bye for now.